We have reached the last segment of this course, Economic Feasibility Considerations. Here we are going to discuss about different factors that need to be considered for economic feasibility of any anaerobic digestion projects, and also I'll give you some links for different economic analysis tools and spreadsheets. Anaerobic digestion is a very attractive option for processing a variety of waste, including agricultural, residential, and industrial organic waste. But the initial capital cost of an anaerobic digestion plant can be considerably high. According to a CPA Agster program, the capital cost of an on-farm anaerobic digester ranges from approximately $400,000 to $5 million, and the typical on-farm anaerobic digestion unit cost approximately $1.2 million. Of course, the cost vary depending upon the size of the unit design and features. However, most of the other waste processing technologies that may also require a high capital investment do not generate revenue like a biogas digester plant does. But still, it is advisable to proceed with an economic screen and a detailed economic analysis if possible before proceeding with any biogas project. So these are the factors that need to be considered for any biogas project. First of all, capital cost. These are the cost of digester and all other ancillary equipment for the plant, like pumps, boiler, gas handling and cleaning equipment, digester handling and cleaning equipment, etc. Then come ongoing annual operation and maintenance cost. Those are the costs associated with running the plant, like operator salary, maintenance, repairs, replacement of parts, labor, insurance, etc. Higher operating costs can have a significant impact on the payback period and profitability of an anaerobic digestion project. Revenue generation potential of the plant. Identifying and screening potential revenue generating sources from the plant is very crucial, as they may provide opportunities to recover the cost. In general, there may be 3 revenue generating and cost saving options available for any anaerobic digestion plant. First of all, biogas generating potential of the plant and how revenue can be earned by selling it, maybe in the form of heat, electricity, or renewable fuel. And then revenue potential from the sales of fiber and nutrient from the plant, like manure, recovered nutrients, and other beneficial products. And at the last, financial assistance from the government and various environmental credits, like carbon credits, renewable energy credits, etc. While calculating revenue generating potential, realistic outlook should be adopted based on best and worst case scenarios. Risk factors should also be included, as prices may vary in the local market and change from time to time. Return of investment or payback periods. Return of investment or payback periods will depend on revenue generating potential of the plant. Payback period can be achieved faster when revenue can be earned from multiple sources like selling biogas as energy to utilities, recovered nutrients and fiber to local market as manure, etc. Reduced operation and maintenance cost of the plant also play an important role, and this can be achieved by ensuring energy efficiency of the plant, less plant interruption in plant operation, etc. Some of the feasibility studies in North America on anaerobic digestion concluded that payback period ranges from 5 to 16 years when operated under optimum and worst conditions, respectively. Different government and non-profit organizations in North America has developed several economic analysis tools for anaerobic digestion project. Some of the links are given as follows that can be followed, adapted, or modified if applicable for any given project, such as Biogas Economic Model and Toolkit, the co-digestion economic analysis tool by USCPA that assesses the initial economic feasibility of food waste co-digestion at wastewater treatment plants, and then is anaerobic digestion right for your farm? It is also by USCPA, and then the economy of digester technology for Ontario farmers. I'll suggest you to go to this link and get yourself familiar how to carry an economic analysis and also what are the factors to consider. So with this slide, I'll conclude my course, and I wish you all the best for all your future anaerobic digestion projects. Best of luck and thank you to be with me.